Hey everyone! We will talk about the sequence function in Google Sheets. So sequence is used to generate number sequence or dynamic grids. It automates repetitive tasks and helps to reduce errors. We will use sequence to generate a list of numbers and then generate a list of dates and time. So first, we use it to generate a list of numbers. We type the formula sequence, then the number of rows we want to generate, then the number of columns. We will start the list from 1 and each number is going to add 1. Now we have generated a list from 1 to 25 with 5 rows and 5 columns. We can generate a reverse list. Let's start from 25 and each number decrease 1. And here we go. Let's go back to ascending order and this time each number to increase by 2. We have a list of odd numbers to 49. The same, you can do it reversely. Okay, now we generate a list of date. We type equal sequence. This time the grid is 5 rows and 7 columns, just like a calendar. And the date, let's start from 1st of December 2024. And each day increased by 1. Let's change the format to date. Now we have a list of dates. We can set each to increase by 2 days. And we can list the dates vertically. 10 rows and 1 column. The start date is 1st of January. And here we go. We can use it to create a list of time. Let's say you want to build a scheduler template. For example, let's list out 12 rows, 1 column. Let's start the scheduler from 10 a.m. for example. And in each slot, increase by 30 minutes. And we change the format to time. And this one, here we have the list. Let's try a 15-minute slot. And there we are. Okay, so this is the sequence function in Google Sheets.